It's a very interesting question, because what happens is that I have two nieces. Okay, so what happens is that my nephew and niece, they'll be always with the for the gadget. They say that it's an online class. What happens is that I just walk and find. I have always this paranoid. What are they? Are they listening to the class or not? So I just chuma like taking a book or taking something. I'll go and step in. Most of the time, they just like what to say, the Zoom call, they'll be like going out and do something else. Okay, the video will be off, audio will be off, they'll be scribbling something, they'll be seeing something in the thing. What is the thing is that I think we should sit with the kid. Okay, it's like, see, when a teacher is there and when you are in the class, naturally the chance that you will be distracted to other things is less. But when you are in a place where it's in the house where there is no supervision, there is 40 cameras there and the teacher is not able to look into. So what happens is that the teacher mutes all the audio also. So what to do? So in that case, I think having a elder, okay, it need not be a parent because you'll be busy in your work. If there is any other person who's elder or anybody who's responsible to just, they need not sit for the next 1 hour with the kid or half a day with the kid. They need to just come and have a look, so that, see, actually kids do not make a mistake in the, they will not if they take a phone to the class, to the school also, they do not take the class phone from their bag during a max class where the max teacher is very strict. But they take the phone out and see all the things in a Tamil class where the Tamil miss is very lenient. Okay, kids are smart, as I told you. You need to make an environment that you are watching the kid. When you are watching the kid, what the kid does, kids are smart, they will look into the class. When you are free that, okay, the half a day I'm going to let you loose. It's like my boss says that, okay, Vivekanandan, go and do all that thing. And he goes to America. Who will go to job? Anyway, I'm going to get salary. I'll be happily getting my, sitting in my home and I'll be taking rest. Similarly, they should have an idea that I am watched. That environment or that thing that you should create, which will definitely make the child cope with like that I should concentrate. Okay. Another thing is that make them clear that after the class is over, no gadgets for the next 2 to 3 hours. Evening, if you have something for a class or revision, you need to look into the video first, whether it is really important, whether it is useful, download it and then give it to the kid so that they don't go online. Online is like a double-edged sword. It gives you a lot of information. It also cuts your neck when not needed. So I think you need to be more watchful. Watchful is a skill that I would advise. Thank you. Thank you.